Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI engine. It allows you to make high-quality images, text effects, and other looks. Right now, since this is a beta app, all of the creations cannot be used for commercial reasons. However, you can still download the content to use for yourself. Let's look at the generative recolor. So I'm going to start by uploading an SVG, and I'm uploading something I created in Illustrator. Next, I will describe the color palette I want to generate. Think of this as just giving Firefly an idea of the overall look. And we'll click Generate. So you can see it took my neon 80s and it's pulled into that. Keep in mind, right now you have to use SVGs, that stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. So you'll want to make sure that you export as an SVG from wherever you start your design. On the right-hand side, you can see I have sample prompts, so if I want to change those, I can. And I can enter new terms and then generate that. Once I have a general term I like, I can choose different harmonies just by using that base color that we created with our word and applying different harmonies. So I can download as many of these as I want. It's also helpful to rate that. Notice if there's one that I really like, I can shuffle those colors to kind of keep those same colors, but maybe use those in different ways. Finally, I can choose a key color and generate with that color as well. One of the hitches with using the recolor is that I can't download these colors as a color palette. However, I could download this and then take it into something like Adobe Color and generate a color palette into my library and use that, or use a color picker in any app that I am in after I've downloaded that. So that's generative recolor, really kind of a fun way to experiment with different looks for a design you've already made.